What is up? Today we are on the road. We are in West Virginia. Oh look, there's there's Dominic again. There's my dad, and there's his friend John. I got my headphones for the movies that we're watching. I got my tablet, which I should do this filming on this, but I already started on my phone, so which is really cool.
And I got my tablet too.
And I have a brand new fidget spinner.
Same goes for me.
I got this one. It looks really, really cool.
I got this one half of a part.
I'd like to take that.
Can you hold up the video?
You know what I'm talking about?
Hang on 1 second. And I have, here it is. Here's what it looks like. This thing, the middle part right here, spins a long time too.
Hey look, there's another boat.
Yeah, there's a dog. That's somebody's backyard. How cool would that be?
That would be a good spot to fish actually.
There you do it.
Alright.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you got house and fruit and get all this freaking.
And I ain't got my other fidget spinners with me, but Dominic has gotten a new one too. Dominic, let me see yours.
Saline what?
Hang on 1 second. His came with the case too. He lost the foam in it, so he put a napkin in there. And it actually made one of the top 10 unique fidget spinners.
It has a cover for the feet for the ball.
Which one? Those both are $229. With the light. Yeah, so it's got 2 pieces that go right there. I like that.
But yeah, this was the last one and he just so happened to got it. And this thing is cool because like you see that design that's it's doing right now? Right there? Hang on, wait. Like this thing is about as cool as it comes. But yeah, I guess that's my video for today. But I'm going to show you some tricks with mine. Here we go, Dominic. I'll lay it right there for you. Let me get mine out of the case. But please give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, why? My dad's weird.
Bryson,
What?
did you poop and not flush the toilet?
Yeah.
He's so weird.
Was that you, Bryson?
Shut up.
Open a window.
I saw that too twice.
Me too.
Open a window.
Oh my God, Bryson.
Hang on 1 second. Let me do something.
Look, here's everybody. A couple big fish down there.
And we have a Corvette behind us, which it's ours right now. Can we see it? Yep, there's the Corvette.
In the toilet, not flush. And the kids look at each other and their eyes get real big. And they was like, they reached up and turned it off.
It's so cool.
See, it sounds like some Yankee. Did you pick in the toilet? It's so disgusting.
But yeah, these are very cool. And they have these at gas stations, and it's metal. But I guess that's my video for today. And when I get home, which would be in about 5 hours. I know, right? That's so fun.
They drop it here.
He has this game that I do with my tutor. It's really fun. But yeah, that's my video for today. I will see y'all in my next video. See ya. 5th video.